Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all Instagram reposts at once. So the old method is to go to your reposts here, then click on each one and remove it. But this may take a lot of time. So instead, go to the three bars here on the top right corner, click on it, then you select your activity here, then select reposts. After that, you click on select on the top right corner. Then you need to manually select all your reposts. Unfortunately, Instagram didn't add the feature to select all, but this still will be quicker than the old method. After selecting them, you just need to click on delete, then delete, and all your reposts should be deleted at once. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.